Hey, curious today? Have you heard of metallic wood? It's basically a material that's both light like wood and strong as metal. It's stronger than titanium, yet can be 5 times lighter. Plus, it's colorful since it can reflect different wavelengths of light at different angles. 70% of the material is empty space. The remaining 30%, which consists of nickel atoms that make up a well-defined porous nanolattice, holds up all the pressure. But there was a problem. With methods that were available for making this material, these nanostructures can't extend very far before unwanted defects start to appear. If there were a new method for making these nanostructures extend over a large scale, then this metallic wood could potentially be applied towards the stuff we use. I don't know what it might be, but maybe try to imagine a bike, baseball bat, or tennis racket that's just as durable as one of the best but 5 times lighter. A group of scientists at the University of Pennsylvania was scratching their heads over this problem. And then after lots of work, they found that if they tweak the manufacturing process to include a certain molecule, this can make the nanostructures extend more than 20 times as far without seeing any unwanted defects. That molecule is called glycerol. Compared to many other molecules, it's probably one of the more boring ones. But how could such a boring molecule help with making much better metallic wood? Glycerol molecules close to each other can produce a very important intermolecular interaction, known as van der Waals forces, which help hold different parts of the nanostructure together well throughout the entire manufacturing process, thereby vastly decreasing the chances of unwanted defects, which involve parts of the nanostructure collapsing to form chunks of fully dense nickel from appearing. There's still a lot of work to be done before metallic wood can make its way into practical applications, but this study paved a great path towards the further development of metallic wood. However, the more important thing is that these researchers, like many other scientists around the world, saw a problem or had one of their own, and through research, experiments, and doing science, they ended up solving the problem and nudged forward the frontiers of human knowledge by a tiny little bit. This study, like many others, has lots and lots of details that can't possibly be all explained in a short video like this. To learn more about this study, I've attached a link to the paper and other websites below. Anyways, that's about it for this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for giving this video a go and I hope to see you in the next video.